Healthy meal prep can save time and ensure you have nutritious meals ready throughout the week. Here are 5 meal prep ideas that are easy, balanced, and delicious. 1. Grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies. 1. Ingredients: chicken breasts, quinoa, bell peppers, zucchini, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. 2. Prep steps. 1. Season chicken breasts with olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper. 1. Grill until fully cooked. 2. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. 3. Saute bell peppers and zucchini in olive oil with garlic, salt, and pepper until tender. 4. Divide into containers 1 chicken breast, a portion of quinoa, and a serving of veggies. 2. Turkey and veggie lettuce wraps. 1. Ingredients: ground turkey, lettuce leaves, e.g. romaine or butter lettuce, bell peppers, carrots, soy sauce or tamari, garlic, ginger. 2. Prep steps. 1. Cook ground turkey with garlic and ginger in a pan. 2. Add finely chopped bell peppers and carrots. Cook until tender. 3. Season with soy sauce or tamari. 4. Allow the mixture to cool, then spoon into lettuce leaves. 4. Storing containers. 3. Vegetarian Buddha bowls. 1. Ingredients: chickpeas or black beans, brown rice or quinoa, sweet potatoes, spinach or kale, avocado, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. 2. Prep steps. 1. Roast diced sweet potatoes in olive oil, salt, and pepper until tender. 2. Cook brown rice or quinoa according to package instructions. 3. Saute spinach or kale in a bit of olive oil until wilted. 4. Divide into containers: base of rice, quinoa, a portion of beans, roasted sweet potatoes, and sauteed greens. 4. Top with avocado slices and a squeeze of lemon juice. 4. Salmon with asparagus and sweet potatoes. 1. Ingredients: salmon fillets, asparagus, sweet potatoes, olive oil, lemon, garlic, salt, and pepper. 2. Prep steps. 1. Season salmon fillets with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 1. Bake at 375 DGF 90 degree for about 20 minutes or until cooked through. 2. Roast sweet potato cubes with olive oil, salt, and pepper until tender. 3. Saute asparagus with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper until tender. 4. Divide into containers a salmon fillet, a portion of sweet potatoes, and asparagus. 5. Chicken and veggie stir fry. 1. Ingredients: chicken breast or thighs, mixed vegetables, e.g. bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, soy sauce or tamari, garlic, ginger, brown rice or cauliflower rice. 2. Prep steps. 1. Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces and cook in a pan with garlic and ginger until browned. 2. Add mixed vegetables and stir fry until tender. 3. Season with soy sauce or tamari. 4. Cook brown rice or cauliflower rice. 5. Divide into containers chicken and veggie stir fry over a bed of rice. Tips for meal prep. 1. Batch cooking. Cook large quantities at once and divide into portions. 2. Storage. Use airtight containers to keep food fresh. 3. Balance. Include protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in each meal. 4. Variety. Change up the ingredients and flavors each week to keep meals interesting. By prepping these meals ahead of time, you can ensure you have nutritious options ready to go, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet throughout the week.